In this short guide, I'll show how to buy shares of Sartorius AG so you can follow the exact steps. Sartorius AG is a German life sciences supplier, and its shares trade on Xetra under the ticker SRT.DE. This video is educational and not financial advice. To trade, you need a broker account, and I'll use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After you sign up, you must verify your account with an identity document and add funds before placing any orders. Use the platform search box and type the ticker SRT.DE to locate Sartorius AG. Pick the result that matches the Xetra listing so you get the correct security. On the asset page, you will find basic company information and a price chart to review historical movements. Double-check the listing name and ticker SRT.DE to confirm this is the right stock. Click Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to purchase, then carefully review the order details and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, the order may execute when it reopens. And if your balance is insufficient, the platform will ask you to add funds before confirmation. After the trade executes, your position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. For convenience, the link to eToro is in the description if you want to explore the platform further.